Okay, here's a video taking a look at the eMini S&P for Thursday, Feb 11, 2010. We always like to start with an examination of the market profiles. Here is today's market profile with its corresponding volume profile, and here was yesterday, and the one in between is what occurred overnight in the Globex session. So we were mentioning that 57 area was support, so the market came right down to it, basically touched it on the dot. We were also suggesting that around 72 was good resistance. Well, you can see that once it broke through there, it acted as pretty good support. So that now becomes our support area around 72. We were also saying that 77 would be the next level to test, and we're basically testing it right now. So the next area above that is around the 86 area, which is up in here, and that's the next area of resistance around 86. So this is really a test area. I wouldn't be at all surprised if the market finds support in around 72 tomorrow. It could dip certainly below that, but if it got below, let's say 70, then it's probably good for at least another few points lower. But on the whole, we're looking at support in that area, and then around 66, 65 area, other support in around here. So the auction has taken a turn for the bullish camp. Here's the individual profiles. So it certainly has turned, because of today's action, at least mildly bullish, whereas before it was certainly bearish. So now, as long as it stays above 72, I would consider that mildly bullish. Here's a look at our software just on the 1 minute. You can see how early in the day the market came down here and up here, sort of consolidated for a bit of time, and then finally broke higher. We only had one trade today, and we got long in here. Market rallied some 5.5 points in our favor, so we made 4 points on the final partial, and that was the only trade that we had today. We came very, very close to getting long right in here. However, our filter had just turned gray temporarily. So even though it did come down to our entry price, we didn't take the trade because we were in the gray filter. As it turned out, the trade had a tremendous run higher. So getting on the right side there would have been nice. We did have the trade, but not the filter, so that's how it goes sometimes. But so anyway, just the one trade today, and a nice winner. So, and that's it. And here's our consolidation. So that's a quick look at the market and an idea of where it's headed, or at least some targets for support and resistance for tomorrow. So thanks for taking a look at the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.